Hello everybody. In this tutorial you will learn how to fix Lumetri Presets Error in Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2018. If you have a problem with Lumetri presets in Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2018, watch this video tutorial for Windows users. I had a problem like you when I update Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2018 to Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2018 version 12.0.0.224. After updating to new version, when I tried to use Lumetri presets, there was error message like this. A low-level exception occurred in Lumetri, etc. I tried to change Mercury Playback Engine GPU acceleration CUDA to Mercury Playback Engine software only. The error still was there. After a lot of research, I fixed the problem. Please follow the steps. First, close Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2018. It may vary of your Windows operating system, but you have to find Legacy folder. For Windows 7, follow this path. In Windows 7, open Computer at your desktop. Click Local Disk C. Double-click Program Files folder. Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2018. Lumetri. Lots. Legacy. Select and copy all presets in Legacy folder. Now you have to find Technical folder. It may vary of your Windows operating system. In Windows 7, follow this path. Click Local Disk C. Double-click Program Files folder. Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2018. Lumetri. Lots. Technical. Paste all copied presets to Technical folder. Open Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2018. Open Effects tab. Open Lumetri Presets. Try any of Lumetri presets. And it works. Congratulations! If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers!